Magluto po tayo ng kakaibang fried baby back spare ribs na pina-level up pero ang ingredients ay simpleng-simple at hindi komplikado, juicy and tender, malasa at masarap hanggang buto. Gagamit po tayo ng maraming green onions, naka-chop na po siya, tapos isang head garlic mince, tapos lulutuin natin pero hindi natin ibo-brown, palabasin lang natin yung kanyang flavor, tapos iset aside muna natin. And gagamit po tayo ng pork baby back ribs cut into 2 inches ang haba. Ibuhos natin ang green onion mixture, season ng konting salt, ground black pepper, soy sauce to taste, oyster sauce, cornstarch, and lastly 2 eggs. Mix very well until all ingredients are combined. Magpainit na tayo ng oil at prituhin na natin hanggang slightly brown. If gusto mong crispy, i-double fry natin. Pero during the first fry, pinarest ko muna siya ng 15 minutes at saka ko dinoble fry ulit. Lutuin lang po natin ng ilang seconds at haluin parate para even ang pagkaluto or golden color. And okay na po siya, maghanda na ng suka na may sili or plain ketchup lang. Ayos na yan, kainan na!